Deep in the heart of Africa lies a treasure trove of ancient grains, superfoods that have sustained communities for centuries. From the golden fields of sorghum to the tiny, mighty seeds of fonio, these grains carry the stories of resilience, culture, and nourishment. Sorghum, one of the oldest cultivated grains in the world, has its roots in Africa, dating back over 5,000 years. Known for its drought resistance, sorghum has been a lifeline for farmers across the continent. Whether turned into porridge, beer, or bread, this grain is a true symbol of survival. And then there's fonio, tiny but mighty. This ancient grain, often called the seed of the universe, has been grown in West Africa for thousands of years. In countries like Mali, Senegal, and Guinea, fonio is not just food, it's a celebration of culture. Rich in nutrients and naturally gluten-free, fonio is making a global comeback as a superfood. Millet, another ancient grain, has fed generations across Africa. In East Africa, it's used to make ugali. In West Africa, it's transformed into couscous or fermented for drinks. Millet is proof that ancient wisdom in farming and cooking still holds strong today. These grains are not just nutritious, they're deeply tied to African traditions, ceremonies, and daily life. For centuries, they've been grown sustainably, providing food security to millions. Today, chefs are reimagining these ancient grains, creating dishes that blend tradition with innovation. From fonio salads to millet pancakes, the possibilities are endless. So next time you hear about these grains, remember, they're more than just food. They're a connection to history, a celebration of culture, and a gift from Africa to the world. Small, ancient, and powerful, these grains carry the heartbeat of a continent. Have you tried them yet?